Welcome guys, Green Bars back again with another reaction video. Today we're check out Dave Clash Beat Stormzy. So we're gonna check out this epic duo. Wait, I think I've reacted to a Dave and Stormzy before. I think it was like a party song, and that song was pretty epic, bro. So this is the second time I'm gonna react to this duo, bro. Dude, man, they pull up in there, literally a car. Yo. Oh shit. Dude, I like how they're either flowing smooth with the rhythm, bruh. The rhythm just do do dum. I always like the grime rhythm. The grime rhythm is just pretty awesome, bruh. Slow type beat, but just do do. Can I grab you, you know? My family was tired, bruh. Dude. Yo, I like how they do that flowing, bruh. Ooh. Yeah. Yo. Yo, sorry not to be paid chip, no mind, bro. That's crazy. Not to reply back to chip. Dude, that's insane. Oh, damn. I think you guys know who he's talking about. Jordan was Kylie Jenner at one time, best friend. Man, say I'm not simping, but I just buy a car like Rolex ones. I don't know about that one, buddy.